challenge is to survive this orb of darkness and destruction. Oh no, I'm eliminated. You can talk. Just because I never talked before in the series doesn't mean I can't talk. None of you are eliminated because today we're having a debut. Here are the Hello. Oh, yeah.
It's I care about you day, and I care about you. I'll name you all the things that start with Y. Yellow.
Time to save the day. I do anything except be here. I'm tasty, delicious, and very nutritious. Arthur sandwich.
Machine will make you want a cup of Wilkins coffee.
Put your favorite things inside me.
Merry Christmas.
If I had a nickel for, give me your bank details.
And the best card.
Okay.
I'm sweet and savory.
Literally just die.
Let me in.
I need that voucher!
It's me, Mario.
Vote for one of these characters to maybe win the Greg's voucher. Mr. Host Guy should have clarified you can vote 20 people.